Nkaka Ndị Inyom Igbo's annual conference is here again. Are you ready? It is a conference of a lifetime. Theme: Women, a unifying force for peace building. Join us as we come together, voices united for peace and unity, as our guest speakers bring the best of know-how to entrenching peace and unity in our land. Keynote address speakers: Professor Chidi Odinkalo, Dr. Ene Obi, Father of the Day, His Excellency Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwo, President General, Ohaneze Ndị Igbo. Mother of the Day, Her Excellency Ambassador Bianca Ojukwu. Royal Father of the Day, Obi of Onisha, Nnanyelugo Alfred Nnemeka Achebe Agbogidi. Chief Host, Governor of Enugu State, His Excellency Dr. Peter Ndubisi Mba. Host, Her Excellency Inyom Josephine Aneni, President General, Nkaka Ndị Inyom Igbo. It will happen live at the Old Government Lodge, Abakaliki Road, Enugu, on the 24th and 25th of October 2023. We are women, a unifying force for peace building. Hurry, register to be part of history. Join us, Nkaka Ndị Inyom Igbo, partnering for development.